Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mirror shaky effect on CapCut PC. So before, I'm just going to set the image duration, just going to menu, settings, edit, and adjust for the image duration to 1.0 second and click save. So you are just going to add to track your clip and make it duplicate. So select the second one and select mirror. So for that, you are just going to select the clip and copy paste. Yeah, so enough. And then you are just going to add effect, select camera shark effect, just for the duration until finish the clip. And you are just going to add the animation for all the clip, select animation, select combo animation, and you are just going to add the wobble animation for all the clip, just for duration until 1.2 this is for the duration. So select the clip and add the wobble animation. Yeah. So this is the final effect on you'll have on your video. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching.